Hello, my name is MDEVAAN Ato Oche and welcome to my kitchen today. Today we'll be making this very simple coleslaw recipe. It's simple, straight to the point and very nice. You will need some mayonnaise, some salad cream, shredded cabbage and carrots and some lemon juice. In a clean bowl or a plate, mix equal parts salad cream and your choice of mayonnaise. Squeeze in some lemon juice, and if you're a sweet tooth you can add a tablespoon of sugar depending on the amount of cream that you're mixing. Mix this together and you have a dressing that will knock your socks off. Once this is mixed in properly, you can now reduce your dressing. You can make this dressing in advance and mix according to how you need it. If you're going to mix this coleslaw mix, I'll suggest you do it 12 hours before you actually need it, so you can put it in the fridge to cool down a bit, because this goes better as a cold salad. If you like eggs, you can throw in some eggs to elevate your flavor profile. But even without the eggs, this basic coleslaw recipe, it's so nice because the salad dressing, the lime juice, it just makes it really nice. There's just something about coleslaw that you mix and you give it time to sit. So you mix at least a few hours before you need it, so that the dressing has time to rest and the veggies and everything, the juices, they all come together and they incorporate properly. The taste is something else. Will you be trying out this coleslaw recipe? Try out the salad dressing and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. My name is MDEVAAN Ato Oche. I'm on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe when you check out my channel, and cheers to delicious food.